This tapping exercise is fabulous to support us emotionally by just releasing some tension, feeling a little bit more centeredness, and also restoring our body, our energy, our digestive system so that we are regulating our food, our hormones, our thoughts, our feelings. The way this exercise is going to work is I'm going to walk you through 4 tapping exercises. We'll be tapping powerful acupoints that'll guide you through as we start tapping. And then at the end, we're going to finish with taking 5 deep breaths into our body and then exhaling out as we connect in with the imagery of building our blood with the inner chi we have just established. And we're going to begin by tapping on our cheekbones, breathing in the nose, out the mouth, finding your pace for tapping. And this is the powerful acupoint for our stomach meridian that goes down our whole front side. So just as you breathe, just notice energy, imagining energy draining down the front of the body and relaxing into the spaciousness you've just created. As we now come down to tapping below our collarbone. And this is our vital point for our kidneys, and it is bringing energy up from the earth, up into our front side. So just tapping below the collarbones, noticing we just let energy come down and release with tapping the stomach meridian, and now tapping this kidney meridian, we're bringing energy up from the bottom of the feet, up the inside of the legs, up the whole front side of the body to these points that you're tapping on your body. Relax and allow the energy balancing to do the work for you as you just receive and notice the sensations coming up for you. Next, bring your fingers and you're going to tap them into your armpit. And just tapping into the armpit and welcoming your inhale, breathing in fresh oxygen on your exhale, exhaling down the arms, out the hands. We're turning on the heart energy here. So welcome, like a warm hug coming in from behind. Heat coming into the body, circulating down the arms, out the hands, other side. Relaxing into this energy tapping that you are doing right now, witnessing the brilliance of your body, turning on the energy of the heart meridian to support overall well-being and balance. And then bring your hands down to the rib cage, massaging the rib cage. I like to massage more than tap, but you can also tap. And breathing in as we support our spleen meridian. That's like our energetic mother, nourishing us, making sure that we feel balanced and supported, and just tapping. And if it feels tender, that's okay. That means this point needs extra stimulation. Relaxing your shoulders, welcoming the nourishment of your energy to turn on. And then bringing your hands onto your thighs, and we're going to take 5 breaths together. So breathing in through the nose, it's like you're breathing into the body, and on the exhale, imagine your breath coming up and through the skin, through the body on the front side and the back side. Breathing in, observing the circulation, the openness in your body, and as you exhale, connecting into that chi you have established, infusing your breath into the chi, into the blood. Feeling the energy flowing down the hands and out the fingers, witnessing the warmth you're creating with your intentional breathing. As you breathe in together, into the body, exhaling our breath into the chi, into the blood, nourishing ourselves. A quick fix to really get your body in alignment, circulating your blood, infusing yourself with the chi to heal, to build, to thrive, to grow. As always, it is such a joy to connect with you. Deep bow, my fellow light worker, healer. Namaste.